Good morning, students. Today we are going to tell you a story in a fun and creative way. Once there was a girl whose name was Minnie. She was sleeping soundly in her room. Then suddenly she got surprised. A thump noise came. What is there? A cat?
No.
Oh, Kitty, why are you crying here?
I am very hungry.
You are
Give
hungry?
me some food.
Oh, you need some food. Wait, today my mother has cooked some chapatis. I'll go and get it for you from the kitchen.
Wait. Where are you going?
Oh dear Peacock, please let me go to the kitchen and grab the chapati for my dear friend Kitty. She is very hungry.
You want chapati?
Yes,
Then
I
you
want
have to
them.
answer my questions first.
Alright, go ahead and ask them. I'll answer it.
Okay, so tell me, what is the shape of the chapati?
Oh, the shape. Oh my god, the teacher has taught something about this in the class. I have forgotten. Let me memorize it. Let me remember it. The shape of chapati. Chapati doesn't have any sides. It doesn't have any corners. So it must be a circle.
Yes, your answer is correct.
Then give me the chapati.
No, but you have to answer one more question.
Alright, go ahead. I'll answer them.
Okay, so tell me, from which grain do you obtain the chapatis?
Oh my god, this is a very difficult question. I don't know the answer of this question. Wait, let me go and ask my friend. Kitty, do you know from where we get the chapati?
No. Yes, I know the answer. We get chapati from the grain wheat.
Wheat?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go and answer it. Peacock,
Yes.
we get the chapati from wheat.
Yes, your answer is correct. Now you can take your chapati.
Oh wow, chapati is exactly like a circle. See? No corners, no sides. It's a circle. Here, Kitty, eat it.
No.
Isn't it delicious?
It's very yummy. My hunger has gone. But now I'm feeling thirsty. Can you get something for drink?
Now you are thirsty.
Yes.
Okay, let me think. My mother has kept some milk in the fridge.
No.
I'll go and get it.
Wait.
Oh,
Again,
Peacock.
where are you going?
I'm going to get the milk from the fridge. Now Kitty is very thirsty.
If you want the milk, you have to answer some questions.
Why you ask so many questions? Okay, I'll answer them. Ask.
Okay, so what is the shape of the fridge from the front side?
Shape of the fridge from the front side. Oh, wait. Fridge has 4 sides, but 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. So, it must be a rectangle.
Yes, your answer is correct. But what is the actual shape of the fridge?
The actual shape. This is a difficult question, Peacock. Let me go and get the help from my friend. Kitty,
No.
do you know the actual shape of the fridge?
No. Yes. The actual shape of the fridge is cuboidal.
Cuboidal?
Yes.
But it looks rectangle from the front.
But the actual shape is cuboidal. There is a difference between a rectangle and a cuboid. A rectangle is a 2D figure, but a cuboid is a 3D figure.
But what is a 2D figure and what is a 3D figure? I don't know it.
Okay, let me tell you. The figure which can be drawn on a plain paper are considered as 2D figure. But those shapes which cannot be drawn on the paper and have 3 dimensions are known as 3D figures. Are you clear about the concept of 2D and 3D figure now?
and take your milk from the fridge.
Hey, you have not asked me the answer. The answer is cuboid. Just because it's a liquid. Okay, see, the fridge looks rectangle from the front. 2 sides long, 2 sides short, and has 4 corners. I'll give the milk. Here, Kitty, take your milk.
Now, let's play a game together.
Yay! Pick up. Will you play a game with us?
Yes, let's play the game.
But what is the name of the
Let's play the game.
But what is the name of the game?
The name of the game is Find Shapes.
Find the shapes. Yay! Sounds interesting. Let's start. Kitty, will you start?
Yes, let me start. It's a question to all of you. Can you find a circle?
Yes.
Yes, the wheel of the train is circular in shape. Anyone else?
This is also a circle.
No, Kitty. It's not a circle. This is a 3D shape and this is spherical.
Okay, this is a sphere and it is a 3D fish shape.
Yes.
I can hold it in my palm. Okay. Any other circular thing? Can I see?
HMM's Lindy.
Yes.
We can.
HM Ram's Bindi is of circular shape and Priya Ram's Bindi as well.
Exactly. You all have given the correct answer. Clap for everyone. Now it's your turn.
Okay, let me ask. I have learned this today only. Can you find some cuboid in this area?
That box.
That box?
Traffic signal.
Yes, the traffic signal looks like a cuboid to me. Very good.
Any other one?
Vending machine.
Yes, the vending machine looks like a cuboid.
This box,
Yes,
yeah.
this box is also a cuboid.
And the
Wow.
And the room 5 we sit. This is also a cuboid, is it?
You are a smart child, you know that? I didn't think of that. Very nice. Yes, the room is a cuboid.
Very good. You all have given the correct answer.
Kitty, I want to also ask a question to you.
Yes, sir.
What is the shape of this bag?
Dear student, this is also a cuboidal shape.
Yes, Kitty, I really